Hi there. Today I want to show you a preview of the new recorder that's coming up in the Robot 4.1 release. Let's just get started here. To use the recorder, first of all I have to create a test script to use, and then we also have to connect to a test environment. So once I have those two in place, I can now start to use the recorder. So if I activate that, and I can then start to perform my actions directly in the desktop view on the right hand side. Now you'll notice that as we start to do that now using the new recorder, it automatically analyzes the screen and tries to capture the image templates for you. So it suggests an area to capture automatically. However, you can change that as I'm doing on the screen, so you can select a new template to capture in a completely different area if you want. So I'm just going to stick with the Christmas theme here, searching for Track Santa using the Google's Track Santa to just show you this new recorder. So I'll capture Santa's face there, and we're going to just progress on through and select a few of the options within this website. So you can see once the new recorder suggests a crop area, you can adjust that, so you can resize it, you can relocate it. You can also, if you don't want to immediately perform a click action, you can select to use the component capture within this process as well, and that will bring up the component capture wizard. So for example, what I want to do here is I just want to use this as a verification point, such that I can verify that this screen is currently displayed before I then go on and create a screenshot. So again, a verification to store within my reports. So let me just create, if I get the name right, Santa app calendar as a screenshot, and then I can continue on and actually select the play icon or the menu item. Now what you can do within the recorder is you can select already existing collections to use. So because I've already captured the play menu item, I don't want to create it again, so I'm going to reuse that. And it's just saying here that because that image collection already exists, but it exists with a different template within it, so the template now looks quite different. That's okay for the moment. I just want to carry on, and I'll accept that, so I can carry on then selecting the airport. So you can see the auto crop, the auto selection is really quite good. However, as I keep saying, you can adjust that if you want to thereafter. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to repeat clicking on the same item. So again, I'm just going to select an existing collection to use, so I don't want to recreate that image. And again, likewise with the calendar icon, I have already created that, so I'm just going to select it from the list, and I don't want to add to that collection, I want to reuse that, so I'll use that there. Then going to click on the back to the village link. So I'll create that as a new image template or collection as it actually gets created as, and I'm then going to perform another screenshot. So prior to doing that, I want to do just a verification, a validation point. So I'm going to select this area and then go into actually the component capture wizard again, and leave that as wait until it displays. And then I'm actually going to do nothing, so I'm just verifying that you can see this on the screen. And then again, I'm going to go through the standard menu to create actually a screenshot command. Just call that Santa App Village at the moment. Click on OK, and then click on Close to close that browser window down. Just save this as close, and then I can deactivate the recorder and we're all done.
So you can see it creates a list of image collections within which it stores the actual image. So now just execute this back, and hopefully it should just run straight away, so we can watch it step through. We can watch it finding the images that were generated within the recorder, and we can see it clicking on those directly in the desktop viewer. So I'll just let this run through. You might have also noticed with the new recorder in the script editor there, it does actually also generate a new command called click. So it actually produces a much more streamlined command or code set than the old previous recorder feature did as well. It's also much cleaner and simpler to read, so just click image and then the template name. So there's two aspects of it. One is the fact that it captures the templates, and the second is obviously that it just simplifies the whole command and code that's used. So if I now just open up the actual report just to confirm that it did run and it took my screenshots as requested, and there we have it. So hopefully you'll enjoy the new recorder, and it'll be available from the 4.1 beta release.